Manipur yengbiriba pumnamapu Bandeshwari amadi Dainana taramna ukchiri.
Ngasi aikoina laizariba mafam asi Palace Compound gi hata kangjibung hariba mafam asidani Bandeshwari handaki oinadi yamna nungaizaba wafam haragadi ahumrak suba World Bamboo Workshop asi tongan ba India gi state singsidagi hoi kanglaipak Manipur ko iramda Manipur se khalaga hoi mafam asida pangthoklibani hoi gi yam nungaizaba mikup amani haiba tare adu ngasi gi humni suba numit asida maroina participants sing aduga laiba tongan ba country sing dagi laiba demonstration utliba sing stall phami ba sing sigam interaction program haiba tare hoi mayam da khudol tamsi aduna Bandeshwari changasi
Merina Barempa, Hochong village Tamil
District. Bamboo workshop se masidai sada maroina bamboo gi design bane da khoi gi stall se yam phazana maroina khoi iram da Manipur gi tribal gi attire sing gi stall ma uzai ko masida participate was kari phaubi
yam nungai jai ai si participate to ge na ayo khanda tho amde du Manipur Helum Textile gi Tamil district da puba project manager moina thagat piramdana ko khangudana ay yaw khangchi yam nangai je
aduga khoi bamboo sigi matang sati kari habininge khoi iramda Manipur dadi khoi makut na sahib sa adugi mati yamni ko masigi matang dadi smaina participate to bo phangba se masigi matang dadi kai thamininge
bamboo gi haraga na khoi Tamil district da khoi gi area mak tu da ko bamboo si yam leje aduga aina yamna interest leiba ai gi mi khra khoi area dugi mi khra khutcha haibisu khra leyaba moi singdubu hajiki bamboo craft si sida khra puthoe adu si se training gumba tharaga di hena phajagadra na khalle aduga yamaru oina hajiki khoi di machine gumba sin naraktabani na finishing se phajadi he puthora kan ikaiba khoi da yamna haingai leitana
ado iche khoi maroina Tamenglong gi oina ne akhoi gi bamboo gi hai tare ne master makhut masa haiba khotpa akhoi small industry gumba hai tare ko adu gumba leibra kamain to kai phibam da lei
hojikti leitre aduga khun khuding mak si chi khutcha haibisi yamdre khun amada mi manga tara leiba
mangsilak leiba
leitre aka
adu masibu yokhana nabagi pandam da haiba tare ko kamaina mai gi center gumba akhoi sem sabagi adu gumba gadi leibibra kamain toy
leite
adu kari haibininge government ki side ta oiro ko
adu gumba kari gumba center ama gumba hangbiraga di yamna nungai jagni na khalle habdi mang duna leiba hajiki sida putho akanda pot si loin ma belu loin leirame ngasi bamboo de sida lakpa matam da ko aduga asomda khoirom dadi taraga leiba pot ngatani aduna training gumba piraga di leiriba area da thabak sungai leitraga leiba mi mayam do du thok piraga di henna
Dakar oi se khigi center matik chaba center ma hai tare training pi ba ngam gadaba adugumba centers ne batangai phadrise ado iche gi stall se uzaba matam da khoi phi mayam ui ko masai se leiba phi singsi ise hoi gi Tamenglong se dum sabo oi doira mai ba man se kya da gi kya phawba leige ha badum tang thambiyo
saba sidi ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯀꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯐꯅꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯅꯦꯛꯁꯤꯅ 14,000
Okay, minimum dagina maximum how thambiramu
14,000 digina 1,500 power lay fadexina p sina 7,000 digi 500 power lay
yam nungai se khoi gi tang nipan da loigadabani khoi gi bamboo workshop si ko se mapung phana yabiro haiba wafam se thamjage thank you scientific technologies is in
Happy to see how it was advertised in the city and how people are so welcoming, and this booth is really so nicely presented and my husband was happy to participate to the
okay so have you been in other places not only this have you been in other places like Imphal
in Manipur no
so you are stick only with this place the palace compound
we came for the congress
okay so like after finishing this are you planning to visit the beautiful places of Manipur we have other beautiful places
I'm sure unfortunately we have to go back so
okay
maybe we'll come back
and have you like tasted the indigenous food of Manipur from here
yes we did
so tell me your experiences how do you feel it the taste
the taste was exquisite but it was sometimes it's a bit too hot for us
because it's spicy
very spicy but I like the way you do vegetables
do you find a lot of differences between the food culture in India mainly in our state Manipur and in yours country
oh yes of course in France and in India it's completely different yes of course it's not the same but we don't do the meals the same way
so from the past few days as you said you have tasted the food items which one do you feel it's good for you or which one do you find it the most tastier
I had a very exquisite plate done with aubergines really fabulous I could not say what was with the aubergines but it was really delicious
okay so have you tasted about today's recipes the competition is
no
because today it's complete veg
okay great
so you should have the taste
I would like to no we didn't yesterday we tasted some
okay
of them. Were very good but today no
so you should taste it
finally
because today it's complete veg and you should have the taste as well
with pleasure
okay thank you
sir gi ming amadi lai phone ta hai bi
working from the New Canaan village Ikhrul district
okay ado handak bamboo workshop sida id varieties of bamboo gi products mayam ma khoi uba phangjai ko ado si bamboo workshop tawbase akhoi gi economy da kanagani haina khanbi brana traga kamaina haidi benefits se kamaina la kani haina khanbi
akhoi se especially bamboo products se akhoi kanawi am phangane habla thajau lai haibde si biodegradable su hoye aduga si all over Manipur bamboo haure leune adu hekte puthokre sidagi akhoi kari pambra adu puthokraga cost affordable oiba adu homely use starting from furniture mayam asida adum pai diba ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ
Okay ado akhoi si sargi adi bamboo na sab products mayam su leibani na ko masi se isagi cultivate tawraga bamboo se adumain tawraga sabibra natraga magi raw material sing se leibra natraga isagi oina kano tawbra
si akhoi village da village mak thangnabai village mayam da akhoi artisan sing mayam laye aduga moi bo akhoi na motivate tawraga moi basket sumaina semba aduga sumaina head semba mayam se moi bo motivate tawra semhal laga ko akhoi na moi gi damak mateng pangbo ina adu lawraga akhina exhibit
exhibition sida dum puthokpane ba ado akhina basket kumba sidi sabada adi nomada dum saba ngambra kamain tawe
basket sabu variety le like for example suma basket sida matam yam change
okay
liga mix tawne la go aduga mage basket ki karebra se sum straw do
okay
adu sabu su matam yam change adugi hoi matam de khara change
Okay aduga sum icham chamba sigumba basket kumba sina dum nomada di dum loibra
full time period nomada loiba ngamne
okay full time period nomada dum loiba ngame ba aduga akhoina hojiki bamboos ta haita di varieties of bamboos ti dum leireba ko bamboo ha ga ma khatang di nate mai varieties mayam su lei adu karamba normally karamba hoina use tawge ba sigi products sing se saba matam da
akhoi adu bamboo commonly phangba si ming ga de hai adum
okay local bamboo se
local bamboo sing especially 3-4 variety leibse asina adum change tawraga seme
okay adu ita di raw material gi di awat padi ka hena di
raw material di awat padi leitre
okay adu market ta di khoina sigi raw material id pot sig products sing sar matang da market ta deliver tawbadi kamain tawe hede customer na laga hoina hedi exhibition da puthokraga ga di puthokre ko sir adu nataba sum salor kana market ta khoina distribute tawba haiga drana traga market ta puthorpa matam da di ma se adum dealers sing na dum som da contact tawbirak prana traga som na hoina market ta dum chatlaga potsing se deliver tawbra
akhoi si hawbu su kuidri adu hojik ti manipur da adum mi pamba sing yondi yolle adu future da online sale gumba option yam puthore means not only in manipur outside the state outside the country asing option su lai online da adu mi yamna thong do akhoi ba takpiri
okay aduga sum sirs gi se sigumba products di basket kumba heads kumba sugumba da dum kano tawbra natraga like furniture items kumba di sabiba leitabra
hojik ti furniture items se machine guma kra involve hoye adu hojik akoi lei si machine am phau jode handicraft na toy go adugi khudna kari sabe yabra adu ngakte focus tawra future di haibu ngamde
machinery gi kano se wat panina hand di khudna sabe yaba da hoina concentrate tawre ba ko adu do price range ti kamai tawge
price kitang costly way haibdi moi
handmade oira banina
handmade oira panena moi matam su basket ama sabji at least 2 days 3 days kuma yarok patari moi su mamanda 3 days ki maman aduda pansil laga aduga asi materials ki kitang pal laga price to handicraft oina na kitang li wang
okay
machinery lak patari kitang low cost oigra khale
okay kam nungai jari sa sagawari sana phangmase thank you
hakiming kames salam kawi ai isamak mani sabuban salam ne kai degini leibadi huji guwahati de lei ai se world bamboo organization ki first president werami adu danatna india ki su ahamba nate asia ki ahamba world bamboo organization ki president ni adu natna aina hodokibada world bamboo day na ngasi mayamna celebrate toisu aina founder ni na ai si yam seng haibada world bamboo organization ga world bamboo day ga mari lena yam kuina sei kun matungina associate tawrabni
yam nungai je oza khoi gi maitai masa moina oza na chauba thodang lobi basi taba matam yam harau jaba khoi gi phongtok se haitare oza maruina khoi gi world bamboo workshop si masi tungan ba country sing da pangthokre handaki oina ahum rak suba world bamboo khoi gi workshop asi maruina india gi oina lae aduga india sida somuk manipur da khoi choose tawraga sin base masigi matang da karmain tawduna sin khibano kari maram gi silibano haibana chingbado tang thambiu
masi matang da khoi gi manipur gi Dr. Nimala Chongtham masamaksu world bamboo ambassador webani simagi ayam initiative ni yam seng haibada mana yam kan honabdagi mana aina president or matungda mana makata na siga samnadana organization siga chathabadagi manipur magi mana porakibani great goes to her she has done a very good job to bring this kind of event in Manipur. Because we see India da khona bamboo matang yam kana ngangna rasu sumba events na akoi da value add tawi because Manipur ma state yam labna le ba India ko nam le da sumba world ki event am to bose akoi gi kai ni yam na akoi da ikai yam is a very proud moment for us and I think all the credit goes to Dr. Nimula Chongtham Manasin Manisin.
The presentation hai batare masi gi matang sida amuk night presentation tawbra city convention se tawriba mong matawsna kamai tawbon
city presentation da khoi khagalaba world da maming lerba company natraga experts singsna moi gi thabak natra moi company matang da moi na powerpoint piraga public ka face to face wari saraga discussion dawi
ado ozagi expectation gi matung in na hai batare Manipur da laiba khoi gi koi bamboo gi oiro ko handicraft gi oiro laiba khoi gi workers hai batare ne ko masida interested oiba sing se kayamuk yamna ozagi expectation si fulfill tawbang ambibra haiba workshop asida kayamuk yamna di hoji phawbada participate si tawbagi mami ui
yam seng haibada akoi di expectation se fulfill tawbang amgiroi maram di akoi thangjaw na thabak suri jawda man sangai na thabak suri akoi machine udri akoi gi artisan singje ana moi di anu baloin thoe hana urasu full scale smile aga demonstrate to aham boy banina moi experience they can think of doing such bigger things in future hojiki we di mosi unaraga interact toroga sima to boy ai ne sima oi boy ai habase akoi the full idea phangi ain khamna noi yam thengna bada kha man hairang mani that uriyo machines demonstrate si akoi de kana ni haibado ana akoi gi infrastructure akoi gi bamboo siga chana da bada ho yeng ta ba akoi no wa si makal samale su wa loing manate man magi size magi property magi strength manade ana Manipur gi oiba chana ba chuna ba akoi por puthok de yaro aina Manipur aham the bamboo toilet sagi aina ngasi kyam harawi aina sarama model lu ngasi mayam na putho uli so this is a transfer of technology mapande na tasu aina Swachh Bharat ki matung in toilet in Nagaland Arunachal Pradesh ta Manipur han demos amina chathaler mi bamboo cycle aina chahi manga mamang da Manipur audoki ngasi bamboo cycle puthoi so it is involved contributions likewise ngasi mayam na puthoi bising se ngasi na ju hayeng mayang sarpe aina bamboo toilet ka cycle ka haise ai isama ki intervention ni ngasi aina sigi kanu ground sida mayam sina ubongami that means technology transfer is taking place so likewise ngasi international expert na tai ba ko mayam se aina khanbada it will really go down but again the question is how far we can use that akoi na acceptable le reba Nagaland na sina baga Arunachal sina Manipur sina khena ne ba ana akoi da leiri mayam se gi court manga manung da ani khangar pe ani sida akoi chunna ne so there is the catch now
achumani ozana thamiri ba pham adu ngasai gi hai ba khoi workshop sina soidana akoi gi stepping stone di oizaraga su masina soidana khoi kana bagi mami du soidana tarakani hai ba pham se thamjage lastly akoi gi program asibu yengbiri ba khoi gi hai tare viewers sing da ko message tang thambiram
my message to my friends brothers sisters of Manipur is that wa hai ba si akoi global warming toba climate change toba sida wa si mu kana ba leite si mayam khange akoi ngasi plastic free hai rasu plastic ki benefit se kano alternatives kai lai bamboo lai angasi akoi u kakpa ya de su kai lai bamboo lai so bamboo is going to the future material in the world aduna ngasi akoi wa thaba manam di wa di chahi mari khuni gi akoi kakpa ya na wa thabiu aduga si da phangiba pothok sina timber substitute plastic substitute anything bamboo se substitute urakani ana global warming da yamna saun mating panglu si bamboo ni adu secondly aigi initiative gi Manipur su bamboo gi gas puthoga gari chenba gi su akoi program pakhali hopefully in the next 1 or 2 year Manipura bamboo de gas sumna gari chenba gi lambi bo le
okay that's wonderful oza yam nungai jai koi matung da akoi gi Manipur gi oina hai tare akoi gi hai ba kanaraba workshop na chingba sing koi world gi level da natraga su state level gi oiba kanaraba akoi gi workshop khang de exhibition khang de sinba ngambi ba oibiu hai ba pham se thamjage and thank you so much
thank you
bamboo food competitions tawriba mafam sida contestant number 1 hai tare ko asiga khoi kai manojik thongi base kai no ha base amta khamina se mem gi ming amadi lei famana amta habi
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯇꯥꯔꯥ ꯃꯟꯆꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯡꯖꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯄꯩꯇꯕꯦꯡꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ
Okay. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩ ingredients ꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ vegetarian dish ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯋꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ tender ꯑꯣꯏꯕ soft ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯊꯝꯕꯧ lotus stemꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ.
Okay. So ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ food competition ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ main ꯑꯣꯏꯕ theme ꯗꯤ vegetables seasonarga
ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ bamboo shootꯅꯦꯕ bamboo ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ bamboo productꯇ ꯀꯔꯤ dishes ꯀꯔꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 3 days competition ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ vegetarian ꯈꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯧꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯋꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯋꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯒꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ.
Okay. हाइदी मेनली अखोगी बेम्बू से सिजनरगा कई कई डिशेस कया अमा पुथोपा याबगे हाइबदुनेबा अखोइन हुजिक तौदोरिबा कंपटीशन सिदको अदो मैम गी हुजिकी डिश सिगी पर्टिकुलर नेम गदी थोनबा लेब्रा
आइना करी आइगी से खरा इंडियन ट्विस्ट यावे अदो आइना हाइबको इंडिया काइनो bamboo shoot and lotus stem curry hai.
Okay, bamboo shoot and lotus stem curry. Yamdi haudong male du mam kai
ingredients hai bamboo leire laiwa ko tender one aduga lotus stem thambau leire aduga onion se ina kaino grinded piece tore aduga ginger garlic paste toraga ne jeera aduga toraga garam masala aduga dhania powder gumba khara mayangi kaino taste oina khara tauge toba ina.
Okay, gravy se ko adum nang na dum zu ui ko mahi yaw da vida haudong su yaw male yeng matam da
tang horen.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am, all the best haijage sigi competition ki damta. Thank you.
competition asigi manung chana huzik another contestant amaga muk wari sanazabagi tanza du luxury. Hi, adongi ming amadi leifam hana khangzage.
Nandegam Alfred Roser. Mamui bung purana Rasbari samkhahan kolitag.
Ado huzik kan su thongli ko. First of all, minor competition ama maroina bamboo yaholaga thongbagi food competition ama sin besida isada kari phaubi habese asme tang hana tapiyo.
First of its kind in India and third in the world, I guess so. And this is na akoi artistic me amam da laibudo. We explore over Tanzania and it's a big opportunity for us.
First time, so yaw ba oy doy
First time, I'm a research into research line, and there are doctors, there are scholars, there are students.
Okay.
So varieties of people.
Okay. Other research to base kari line there to be
actually, I'm doing research in Sangai conservation skill to IBSD in Falda.
Okay. Interesting. I'm no idea. Other Jose Thombi se kari no koi last few minutes thakta sungai hai na sum taze koi na ko kari Thombi no kari stage ya or bagi hai bada.
First day, second day, I have been trying old exotic kind of thing. Today I'm trying traditional one. So my then thongba duga soibum. दुगा mushroom अखोई button mushrooms है अखोई ना याम तांग ना थोंगने इसी तरह I'm incorporating that as well.
Okay.
So that's the dish I'm preparing today.
Ado कोई की price पी बगी मवांग से like every day तौरगा पी बरा ना तरगा like one day तो तुम पी भी बरा
actually first day दा कोई elimination हम तौगा second day दा कोई eliminate तौगा दा बदो तौगा बिदा like 7-8 contestants लोग मग finalist ओई ना ngasi तौने तो price की after ngasi finale se loira tawni hai.
Okay, or some last elimination se loira khanda. Okay, isama contestant number kya ne ba? 7. Okay, wish you all the best. Koi my pak boy bio. Thank you.
Ujagi ming amadi like famta hai bio.
Beginning Dr. Nelson Rims Road beginning.
Do ngasigi competition se numi humni hai na chathe hai na taje ko ado numi humni starting dagi dum yaure do mathang eliminate tawgibra kamain tawgibra
aham numit mi am eliminate tawre do ngarang di moina grace am pira ka kam eliminate tawre do ngasi finals isina final numit
ado jana ngasi thongi ba dish maming kai kaudoi
sana ga kano ga soibum mata kan soibum nate usoi ga thong mai ta ga
okay sana ga usoi ga ado sigi dish se thoma matam kai ingredients ga di khoi na use tawge
सी इंग्रेडिएंट्स से खा तोान थाई की इंग्रेडिएंट्स का यूज तवे
Okay.
मरुना मागी अखोई असेंग अखोई जिंजर असेंग कनो फ्रेश जिंजर आइताने सिंग यांगन फ्रेश होइबसिंग दो अदगी तोान लेमन ग्रास सिजने अदगी गलांगल है नमो अखोई पुलै मान बिदों तो अमले थाई कोकोनट मिल्क से मिल्क का सिनार तो
अदो सिगी इंग्रेडिएंट्स सिंग सिदी ओजाना दुम पुरक नत्र मोइना दुम प्रोवाइड तौबिब्रा कमाइन तौई
इंग्रेडिएंट्स सिंग से मोइना पी मोइना अकोंद लिस्ट अमा पीबो दुगा मोइ तुम पी के हाइना देदा मोइदा फंगोइ दुगा अदगी अनुवाइ आइन थाजदा पुरक प्रगति प्रक्तानी होने आई इसाना युमदसु थाजि थाइगी केनो इंग्रेडिएंट्स से किचन गार्डन अदगे हे अप्रोपोन सीबन थाई की मोर
ओके
लेट्स
ओजाना सु दुम पुरेबको हाइदि चांस तो लोनिंग दबदिना अदो ओजागी के हाइनी प्रेजेंटेशन स्टाइल सिसु यम फजेको ऑर्किड्स का सु यम यावरगा को ऑर्किड्स सिसु अदो ओजाना पुरक्तरा नत्रगा मोइना दुम अदल
मैंग लांगिंग चला के हिउ इन युगन ताल चला
ओके अदो ngasi के कंपटीशन से कमाइना फील तोगे हाइदि ओजाना कंपटीशन से विन तौनी है ना खनबी ब्रा नत्रगा कमाइना टफ ओइब्रा कंपटीशन से कमाइन तौगे
कंपटीशन सिंग याव सिंग सिम आई मोइ मसा मसा की लाइन दे दुम नोइ है अदु आई वाखन दे आई कॉन्फिडेंस री लेजे मनसी आई लौदा
ओके
Dr. Loitongbom Nelson, who is presenting bamboo shoot with paneer cooked in yellow curry with exotic spices.
Good afternoon, doctor. Good afternoon. Please explain.
Actually, I have cooked bamboo shoot, canned bamboo shoot with cottage cheese paneer, with galangal, ginger, and real turmeric. I mean the fresh turmeric. I've also added a little bit of lemongrass. Then I've garnished it with Thai basil and this thing, kaffir lime leaves. This one on the side dish, I have salted some chili flakes with garlic, and then topped with my favorite bamboo shoot, fried bamboo shoots. Crispy bamboo.
Is your bamboo shoot inside your curry?
Brine and then use it for my cooking. For those people, my friends who do not tolerate the smell. So then again, if I mix it with paneer, then might be a little bit. I don't know how it just come out. So I have very little time to prepare. So I thought this would be a good
Don't you think he missed out something today, Tamil? Look at the presentation in detail. You missed out something.
Bamboo fork?
Yes.
Bamboo.
Your bamboo fork.
No, your bamboo fork. I'm taking this flour.
Yeah.
This is from yesterday.
Yeah.
Still fresh.
Oh yeah. Chili and garlic. Masked garlic. Then I chop the plants.
Thiness inside it.
Yes.
Then the bamboo shoot again.
Yes.
Lemongrass is plain fish.
I added a little bit of sugar.
I would say very aromatic.
Thank you.
somebody is here
potato ko sige tang di khanari
along with bamboo shoot along with perilla sauce. I firstly I grind that perilla and then make it a soup, and after that I put that mushroom and squash all the vegetables and cook it for around 40 minutes.
Is it a soup or sauce?
Sauce.
Your presentation started. Try this.
Okay, what did you do with the bamboo shoot?
Contestant number 3, Miss Moisem Chiru.
I mean, like for next competition, I'm telling you. Yeah. Salt is okay? Yes.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 3, Miss Moisem Chiru, who presented Myrin Soibum Kangho. Please explain your dish.
It's a Manipuri traditional simple dish. We call it mangal uti, usoi uti. This mangal means it's white peas. Uti means actually it comes from S. This is in olden days when we are in kid. That when my mother have seen when my mom cooked, like those days we could not get simply this cooking soda in the market. So earlier those days, what they used to do is with the dry of white peas leaf, they burn it and like put in the water and like filter it.
Bamboo si sugyao yaw daba yade haina ta ko masigi matang da karmain tawdana competition ase silly magi criteria na chingba sing do adom tang thambiyo.
Contestants, may I have your attention, please?
Bamboo cooking competition
Just 2 minutes.
Participants bamboo
So we have come to the end of the judging round, and I would like to take a moment to thank all of you for putting in your effort, displaying your passion into making it to the final round. We are just 10-15 minutes away from declaring the results. And despite coming from different backgrounds, you have all displayed your passion, you have all displayed your hard work, and you have presented your best conditions. So congratulations on doing that, and I would like to request everyone present in the room to please give a round of applause for our contestants.
Ado competition asi bamboo workshop asi tang mari dagi haukhibani ngasi humni suba numit oideni numit chuppa competition asi sinkhibara natraga ngasi han han boy dora karmai no
in your respective stations.
There
will be a short interview for each one of you.
Last day ore 3 days kakta moina adum 3 days competition city 3 days oina tawbiyo haibige koina adum haina sinjabane ahan bada adum 4 da horaga 4 numit side koina signature round haina asi signature round haibisina contestant mayamna makoi gi convenience oiba comfortable oiba moina yumda thongraga makoi na thongbaga na mi mayam appreciate toba yumung signature hawe noi asi hai noi gi signature dish to thongo haina makoi da chance makoi da koina encourage towe ani subadana koi mystery round haibdi moina su khang daba ekoi sina nga thambi moi table sida aduga nga ga thongmin ba yaba maroi mapang spices mayam se ekoi na ekoi gi kitchen pantry da thamraga adu sijinaraga moina nga se tongan bi mongda kanana henna phajana thongbra aduga presentation adu su yam important
khudak ta khoi pot se thamaga
hoi moina thongje dunga sina aroi boire nasi gi sina vegetarian round haibsi ai gi dama personally amna important oiba plus any am pamjaba haibidi ekoi gi mafam sida vegetarian haibisi khara watle vegetarian thongmasi si sanga ayambada mane importance bi bisi adina ekoi isa ekoi manung da so ekoi society da vegetarian thongbasi ekoi encourage tawnangai haina vegetarian round si thamjabani
yam phasabada ekoi gi competition plus team su yamna phasai koi madam hoina sinbiri base ko aduga mai pa e haina su logjage maram ding koi ngasi uzariba crowd adagi leiriba ko interest levels yam uba matam nem haraujai ado madam tung da ko mathangi any competition sing hai tare smaina koi gi competition sin basi mamangi sangai fest su uzaki ado matung da kari plan leibage kadai da sin ba ko koi ngasi programs gi khuthang da visit matung da ko as a message amoina thambiyo kari plan le
ekoi si handak hoi ekoi na han mada shiroi lily during shiroi lily festival la cultural program ama oina she chef season 1 haina cooking competition si haujarame adu handak so ekoi during the festival ekoi dum season 2 haina muka organize tawni aduga hoi moi department sing na yabiradi sangai chef season 2 amuka sumaina continue tawraga ekoi gi Manipur da leiba chef sing cook sing food enthusiast mayam sibu platform amada puraga ekoi na si platform ji piraga mokoina idea gum share tawbi tawnaba aduga leiriba mayam si da su thogat nangai platform asi pinangai haibasi aiga team mayam ekhoina kanna hotna jari
adudi yamna khoigi interesting oi bas oi dori adudi lakadori ba hai tare upcoming laktoi si asagi khoigi ukrul da singadori ba siroi lily festival sidani masdai sida madam na plan tawdoi si khoina haipe tajaba matam da magi participants sing seeker mind tawdna entry tawba ya bage haiba du padang khoi madam na thambiram
asigi sidi ekhoina once department na yabi ba matung da approve tawbi ga matung la ekhoina social media plus newspaper da print ad ekhoina advertisement tawgini aduda mayamna details adu ekoi popa restaurant simirong da lejabni aduda laraga details to lowraga judging criteria aduga rules and regulation mayam si moina paraga yagni hardi anyone ko adu enroll to be yagni adu di open tawdri
ba okay thank you so much for joining us thank you hauzik akoi ge bamboo food competition asi loisan bagi tangkak adu loi yaure aduna just singsi yamna mathau chinna haiba tare judge tawri ngasai gi participant singsi kanana first second third lodori bano haibadu khangna bagi damakta akoi kanna su uzari basni we have 3 judges here adu kari phibam da leire bagi haibadu makoi gi oiba mod su khaztang khangminasi ahan bamakta da sir gi ming amadi laifam khangzage
toni karam thamai ban
adu ngasi smaina akoi gi just oibase isada kari phaubi haibadu mtang hana thambiu
Probably I'm interesting way Zumba platform mama thambase koi gi food lover ko toning ba myam adagi chaning ba myam amju different keno myam ju usop ngam mes te da ko platform ma suma compete to bagi poche anova mami mane thaina di tong naram de suma bagi poche yam toin to tar ga di adum moi gi akoi gi lei ba thaina haidi mai pa dagi lerak koi cuisine sing myam ju nauna na cha haidi thaina gi cooking way cooking me ban kon thain sin number gumba gi sum ning sang pa lei dana adu ma myam ju memory myam ju lai hai tare yam kanai adu final bamboo andaki world bamboo workshop se sum platform on thambase I really like to appreciate the organizer and everybody.
Thank you so much. Miss Kiming amadi laifam hana thambiu aduga haiba competition sigi matang da kadi thambiningi khara phangtokpiu.
Ai min chimyo ko ai lamsalagi smaina handak bamboo festival se world gi ahan da apne cooking competition to apne to yam thai ai khalle aduga next year dagi so smaina bamboo every bamboo festival se da cooking competition se yobi rani haina director sing na so hairak pasi khallaga khangraga yam harau phause haiba tare
aduga koi hangjaning ba wafam amana ko ngasai koi pricing si karmain tawdana kanana sponsor tawi karma mawong da price si bi doino ngasina loire haina tajai ko
price se akoi kano na tourism singna koi singna bi government singna sponsor tawbani na government singna price ko ni pizza
lastly ngasi gi koi gi thammi ba theme hai tare mainly veg na tham ki bane bas dai sa participants sings na utliba makoi recipe sing se hadi karmaina overall oina karmain thamining makoi performance hai batare
performance se makoi se amna hai like home cook si yawe makoi se professionally like cooking hotelier si na te ko to go like makoi thong jo se am hai raga akoi bus sometimes akoi na so like knowledge gain do ni idea lo ni yam yawe hai yam ya makoi asmai na to se encourage tum to ni ga makoi to khiba makoi thong khiba se ut khiba se to se yam phazai akoi se
okay ngasigi overall ina loi phazakhrei ba ko thank you so much so may I know your good name first of all
and you are from lamjingbatomtv and I'm from Dimapur, Nagaland.
Wow, from Dimapur. Yes. So first of all, how do you feel visiting and participating the World Bamboo Workshop?
Okay, it's very interesting and I'm happy to be a part of this World Bamboo Workshop and to be a part of this competition because it's a platform where you know the food enthusiasts can come and participate and not only that promoting our food because food is part of our culture and the contestants they have come up with different ideas using bamboo shoot as the main ingredient so it was very interesting.
So as today is the last day of the bamboo food competition overall what do you like to suggest or what do you like to say about this competition as a whole like regarding the participants or regarding the recipes they presented?
Okay, today's the last day, the best cook will win. So it was a good initiative from the part of the government, from the part of the state to organize this cooking competition. And the participants who are here, they're from different profession, different, you know, they are not professional chefs.
Yeah, that's
but
interesting.
They have come forward to participate in this competition, which is thing that you should keep in mind and like, you know, promoting our, it's a World Bamboo Workshop and they are allowed to cook any dishes from any country, but what I have seen from my experience is that
it's like indirectly we're promoting our cuisine.
Yeah.
So which is a positive that that we should take forward to the next level.
That's very interesting. And like, what message do you want to put forward for the upcoming chefs or who are interested to participate in the next upcoming competitions in Manipur or maybe around the Northeast?
Okay, that's very interesting question because like for the last 7 years I have been like doing charging of this different cooking competition. So then interesting about this cooking competition is that, you know, the world skills they have come up with this cooking competition. I mean, cooking is like one of the skills now.
Yeah.
Which they have it state-wise. We have it in Nagaland, and that will go again state level. No, national level. And they also have international level for cooking competition. That for students or people who are under 21 years of age. So I think Pupa, the organizer of this competition, they have the capability of organizing any such competition, I should say, looking at the infrastructure, looking at the way they have organized this year. I was here the last time in Shanghai Festival also. So looking at the setup that they have, we cannot compare with the national level or the international level, but compared to what we are, like our state, the Northeast, the infrastructure is very good. They can improve, but whatever they have with this, they can, you know, organize more competitions in the future. And it's a very good platform for people, upcoming chefs. Like it's like a motivation for them to come forward and participate next time.
Like as you said, it's open for all.
Yes, it is open for all. No age limit here.
Okay, thank you so much for being in Manipur, and thank you so much for joining us.
So I will be calling out the contestants according to your serial number. A certificate of participation and a token of appreciation. Next we have contestant number 7, Mr. Nandaibam Alfred Roser.
Do you know why I call you up? Yes. Because first, second, and third. All right. Never mind all the other participants as well. A tough job for us to, you know, mark you up. Competition, as we all know, that losing and winning. Okay, but you guys did a very good job, and thank you all for participating. Love it. So the first, before coming to the first, okay. Do you want to hold up for 2 more days? Okay. All right. The prize distribution is going to be on the last day. Number 2. On second, we have quotation number 6. And first, congratulations, doctor. Good job.
Ngô con mèo tức ngày lần cái.
Alright, cheers. Hard work. I love the taste. Doctor, thank you, Charlie.
But I tried to I'm very innovative, yeah, I know. Okay,
Someday. You already have one. What is the address? What is the name of the restaurant? Grandma Kitchen. Next time.
ahumrak suba World Bamboo Workshop ki manung channa haiba tare bamboo food competition ama koi hariba section room sida sinbani masdai sida haiba competition asigi maroina achoba thodang lori ba haitare responsibilities mayam ama lori ba koi madam ga unazara wari watai sanazaba gi tanza do amuk lawjage madam han mamakta da ming amadi leifam hana thambiu
aigi mingna pd shangrewan multho kawai mbc campus ta le chimero
ado ahan mamakta da isa da kari phawi ismaina khoi gi manipur da ko han han boina third world bamboo koi workshop sin ba sa isa da kari phawbi
ahan mada yamna nungai be phawje haibidi mokoi world bamboo organization moi masamak na laaga hairam me haibidi mokoi na workshop conduct to si taibong da sina umrak sur hai abu cooking competition asina ahan ba ahan mane aduga asidigi ekoina sisi yengraga ekoina lak kadawa mo gi workshop mayam da su cooking competition si organize tawrani haina moina ngarang laaga hairam me aduga ekoigi setup ekoigi preparation ekoigi arrangement mayam si moina uraga yam harauram ba adu uraga ekoi su ai gi aduga ai team na su harauba